Hi, my name is Julia Marie Domingo Galeño, 21 years old and currently studying Criminal Justice of Education or Criminology student. So, as a criminology student with a strong passion for justice and commitment to make a meaningful impact with my community, um, from a very young age, I've been fascinated by the intricacies of the law and the criminal justice system, which inspired me to pursue this field. So, throughout my academic journey, I have had the opportunity to delve deep into my various aspects of criminology, from understanding the psychological factors that drive criminal behavior to exploring the societal implications of the crime and legal structures in place to address it. So, this journey has only deepened my appreciation for the complexities and challenges inherent in this field. Beyond academics, I'm actively involved in community service and outreach programs where I've strived to apply my knowledge in real life contexts. So, these experiences have reinforced my belief that a fair and just society requires not only strong legal framework but also the dedication of compassion of individuals committed to upholding justice. So, as I continue my studies, I'm eager to explore new ideas, engage in meaningful discussion, and collaborate with others who share my passion for criminology. I believe that our collective efforts in this field can lead to a positive change, and excited to contribute to that process. So, I'm excited to be here and look forward to learning and growing alongside all of you. Thank you.